In this video we're going to take a look at a power distribution module. It's a 1U size rack, which means you can pop it into a network rack or a musical equipment rack, whichever you prefer. I've gone for this one, as you'll see, for a few reasons in a moment that I'll show you. The main reason is because it has more sockets on the back than the other ones that we're looking at a similar price. It's by SubZero and it's a power conditioner, so it should eliminate spikes and surges from your mains as well while you're at it. You've probably seen similar ones before. This one caught my eye because it was a little bit different. First of all, on the back you've got your mains input, but you do actually have 10 in total connectors, which I thought was quite nice. Usually on the back you usually find 6 to 8 of them. Sometimes they have a little USB on the back or a little lamp light as well. This one doesn't have that on the back, but it does have a USB on the front, which is handy if you want to charge things. And it's actually 2 amps as well, so it's quite a high one. You've got the usual voltage indicator. This one doesn't have an ampage drawer on it, but to be honest, that's not really neither here or there. You've got a little switch here and a dimmer for a light, which I'll come to in a moment. You've got your main power on and off, and then you've got a fused circuit breaker. Now the main thing I liked about this, apart from the extra sockets, was this here is actually an LED light strip. So on quite a lot of these they have to pull out knobs, I suppose you call them, tubes that come out, which you've got your lights in and you have to pull them out to use them. On this one you've just got this little metal lip here, and underneath it's all surface mount LEDs controlled by this little switch here. So I thought that was a nice little touch. So on top of all the extra sockets, I just thought it looks a little bit neater. So it should be quite nice. So all in all, it's a nice little package. So that's the main unit there. So what else you get in the box is you get your little instruction book, and then a nice touch is you get a lot of sockets that you can wire your existing gear on as well. Now I do actually have pre-made cables to go with this. I'm not sure I've got them lying around. There we go. I do have pre-made cables already, which you can buy from places like CPC, RS Components, etc. So these are all pre-molded, ready to go, and you can get them in different lengths. But it is nice to see that they include in the box plugs, so you can take off your conventional 3-pin plug and put one of those on to plug it in the back. Is there anything else in there? No, that's it. So you don't get any screws to mount it. But having said that, for the price, I think, off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly where it was. I think it was about £70 this, and when you usually look at the power distribution conditioners, they're usually £140, £150. So I thought this was quite a good price for what it was. So I'm going to go and install this now in my rack and let you know my thoughts later on in the video. So as you can see, there it is up there at the top of the power distribution, and it's showing you what the line voltage is at the moment. You've got your front USB, and you've also got a light which you can turn up brighter or lighter so you can see what you're doing, or just if you want to illuminate your rack even in the dark, through the cupboard door. So I hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe, and see you again soon.